Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of Paddington's Pantry, where my puppy Paddington and I, who is not feeling this video right now, really go say hello to the world. We make dog-friendly treats in this series. So today for Valentine's Day, nope, filming this in January, so I have Valentine's Day on my mind. But for St. Patrick's Day, I thought that we'd do a really cute recipe that is green. I'm like, what can I do for dogs that's green? This is actually super healthy and you can also eat it too. So these are, oh, you don't like your hat? Okay, we'll take off the hat. Okay, put that there. So these are dehydrated green beans. So green beans are super healthy for dogs, and Paddington loves them so much. If he was on the ground, he would be taking this and running to his little cookie bed, which is the bed he eats his cookies on. So yeah, let's just start making them right now. So this is also a new style for my channel where I'm like talking through the recipe and making it as I'm talking. New style. It's like how every other cooking video or show is shot. So let me know what you guys think if you like this style. And yeah, let's get started. Are you ready? So first we have about like 3 cups of fresh green beans here. You can also use frozen green beans if that's easier for you. Just make sure that you defrost them and then squeeze them to drain out any excess water. He is like, I want a green bean. And then we have about a half tablespoon of olive oil. And so I use extra virgin. I don't know if that matters, but anyways. So we're just gonna add this to the green beans and stir. Move this here. And you just want to toss to evenly coat them. This is so weird. So normally I'm used to filming like in my pajamas with like a nice top on and pajama pants, and usually like no makeup and my hair is super messy, and then not having to narrate what I'm doing. So this is a new style for me, so I hope you guys like it and I hope I don't butcher it too much. So okay, so now that these are fully coated, we are going to add the other green bean in here, and we are going to spread them out on a oh, I feel like I'm shooting live, on a baking sheet on parchment paper. So I'm just going to go grab the parchment paper. Can you wait? Huh? Can you take care of the green beans while I'm gone? And you'll see the mess behind me as I move because I angled the shot so that my body would block the mess on my counter, but damn. Okay, so luckily I had like the perfect amount of parchment paper left. And then we're just going to pour the green beans onto the baking sheet. Do you like olive oil? Are you licking all of them? Lucky these are for you. Okay, so now we're going to bake these at 170, I want to say 375, 170 degrees Fahrenheit for about 6 hours. 8 hours, and then you want to turn the oven off and leave them in the oven until they're fully cool overnight. So this is good if you're just like having a nice weekend at home and you want to have a chill weekend and make something nice for your pets. Just like when you're lounging at home, you can have these magically cooking in the oven. So, you ready to bake them? Yeah. Alright, now all I need to do is wait for a little bit and I will see you guys tomorrow. We will see you tomorrow, won't we? You're saying goodbye? Why are your paws dirty? We just went for a walk and he's covered in mud. Hello everybody, welcome back. So it is the next day and I'm getting pressed for daylight, so I hope this doesn't look grainy at all or whatever. But anyways, we have just taken these out of the oven, so they are nice and cool, so you don't have to worry about wearing oven mitts, which is fantastic. But they dehydrated quite a lot, as you can tell. Like, I don't even want to eat these, so these are very good for dog treats. But Paddington hasn't even tried one yet, so we're going to get his first impression on camera and see what he thinks. What do you think? He was crying when I took them out of the oven, so that's a good sign. We're going to zoom in, we're going to see what this little nugget thinks. Ooh. He's like evaluating it. Can you guys tell? He's like totally evaluating it. What do you think? I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but they're, okay, I'm like getting down my knees. This is weird. They are very crunchy. That's awesome. So I guess this is like a really good idea if you guys have dogs who aren't a huge fan of vegetables. You should totally make this for your puppies and see if they like them instead, so that they can still get like the little greens in. Should I try one? I will. Okay, let's try one. He's gonna be so surprised when he sees me eating one instead. Oh no. Okay, so I'm not like dying. But it tastes okay. So do you know those chips? I tried them on recommendation by Belle. I can't say anything today. I've filmed 2 other intros and I'm butchering everything. Through recommendation from Blair Fowler. They taste like those little like green pea chips, vaguely, but those are better. So like these are, I kind of like plain. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Clearly Paddington is a fan of his little green bean crispies, so that's super exciting, and it's like a really, really healthy snack. So I guess if you're looking for healthier dog treats, if your dog needs to like lose weight or something like that, these seem like a diet friendly treat, but I'm not a vet, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, they're little veggies, and he seems to enjoy his veggies, so yay. This is so cute. I'm so glad that you like these. Thank you for joining me. He's hidden. Ooh, what you're like, no, I'm not going to I'm not going to take part in this. Anyways, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys again tomorrow for an all-new video, because if you guys haven't heard, I'm now uploading every single day from Monday to Friday forever, or at least like for a foreseeable future. So I'm really, really excited about that. So make sure you're subscribed and ring that little notification bell so that you're notified when tomorrow's video goes live. I hope that you like this video, and happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you have an awesome St. Patrick's Day. And yeah, we will see you